Your Ford has features you've never touched, built-in capabilities that turn your truck into a mobile generator, recover lost door codes, and control lights from across a parking lot. No mods required, no extra cost. Everything is already installed and waiting. Most owners drive for years without discovering what their vehicle can actually do. Today, we're revealing hidden Ford features that change how you use your truck. And the last one? It's a door code secret that's been hiding on Ford since 1980 that almost nobody knows how to unlock. Feature number 1 is Pro Power Onboard Generator Mode. If your F-150 has Pro Power onboard, you are driving a professional-grade power station. The 7.2 kilowatt system on Power Boost hybrids produces more power than a standard recreational vehicle generator. It is enough to run 2 air conditioning units, a refrigerator, a television, and lights, all simultaneously. At maximum load, it runs approximately 32 hours on a full tank. The 2.4 kilowatt system operates for a remarkable 85 hours at maximum output. During the Texas winter storm, owners powered entire homes for days using their F-150s. But here's the hidden capability most owners miss. Normally, if your truck idles too long, it automatically shuts off to conserve fuel. Generator mode overrides this completely. On your touchscreen, tap Features, then Pro Power Onboard, then Generator mode, and select Utility Idle. Now you can remove your key, lock your truck, and let it idle all night. The system keeps running until fuel runs out. It is perfect for job sites that need continuous power, overnight camping, or emergency backup situations. Outlets in the cabin and the bed provide 4 120-volt outlets plus a 240-volt outlet for heavy equipment. Pro Power even works while driving, so tools charge on the way to the job site. Feature number 2, the dead key fob backup slot. The key fob battery dies in a parking lot late at night, miles from anywhere. Most owners think they are stranded. But Ford planned for this exact scenario. There is a hidden slot designed to start your vehicle even when your fob is completely dead. On F-150 trucks, it is hiding under the rubber mat in the rear cup holder. On Explorers and Escapes, check inside the front of the center console. The slot contains a small antenna that reads the chip inside your fob. No battery required. Drop your dead fob into the slot, push the start button, and your truck fires right up. This works because Ford equipped every fob with a passive RFID chip that communicates without battery power. But there is more. Every Ford key fob hides a physical key inside. Look for the small ridge tabs on the sides of your fob. Press them and the back cover pops off, revealing a mechanical key blade. Use this to manually unlock your driver's door if the fob will not work remotely. No tow truck, no locksmith, just built-in redundancy. Feature number 3, zone lighting from your phone. Zone lighting sounds simple until you are setting up camp at 2 a.m. or searching for something dropped in a dark parking lot. The system divides your truck's exterior into independently controllable zones: headlights, fog lights, mirror spotlights, bed lights, and cargo lights. Each one activates separately. The real power is remote control through the Ford Pass app. Open the app, tap zone lighting, and illuminate specific areas from your phone without touching the truck. Loading the bed at night? Light up just that zone. Setting up a tailgate? Full perimeter illumination, physical buttons by your left knee control running board, and bed lights even when the truck is off. The app warns you before automatic timeout, giving you time to restart if you need to keep working. Stadium lighting, controlled from your pocket. Feature number 4, Pro Trailer Backup Assist Memories. Backing trailers takes years to master. Your brain has to reverse everything. Left becomes right. Small steering inputs create big trailer movements. Pro Trailer Backup Assist eliminates the learning curve completely. Turn the dashboard knob left and your trailer goes left. Turn the knob right and the trailer goes right. The system handles all steering calculations and corrections. You control gas and brake only. But here's what most owners never discover. The system remembers up to 10 different trailers: boat, camper, and utility trailer. Set each one up once, and the system recognizes them instantly when you hook up. Setup takes about 15 minutes with a calibration sticker on your trailer tongue. From then on, backing a 30-foot travel trailer into a tight campsite feels like parallel parking a sedan. Jackknife protection warns with yellow, then red if you need to stop and pull forward. Available on F-150, Super Duty, and Expedition. If you're learning features you didn't know existed, hit that subscribe button. More Ford secrets coming up. Feature number 5, the sync reset secret. If your Ford sync freezes, glitches, or stops responding before scheduling a service appointment, try this hidden reset Ford built into every sync-equipped vehicle. With your truck on, press and hold both the volume down button and the seek right button on your steering wheel at the same time. Hold for about 10 seconds. The sync screen goes black and then reboots completely. On newer models with Sync 4, press the audio system power button in the center of your volume knob 5 times quickly. This soft reset fixes frozen screens, Bluetooth problems, Apple CarPlay glitches, and touchscreen responsiveness issues. It clears temporary memory without erasing saved settings, paired phones, or presets. It is like force quitting an app on your phone. It works about 90% of the time. It is a free diagnostic tool that saves unnecessary dealer trips. Feature number 6, secure code keypad secrets. That 5-button keypad on your Ford's door pillar does far more than unlock the driver door. Within 5 seconds of entering your code, press 3 and 4 together, and all doors unlock at once. Press 5 and 6 after your code and your trunk pops open. Need to lock everything quickly? Press and hold 7, 8, 9, and 0 at the same time. No code needed. All doors lock instantly. You can program up to 5 personal codes, easier to remember than the factory code. Enter your factory code. Press 1 and 2. Enter your new 5-digit code, then press 1 and 2 again to save. Doors lock and unlock to confirm success. Here is a feature almost nobody discovers. If your Ford has memory seats, personal codes link to seat and mirror memory settings. Code 1 connects to memory position 1. Code 2 connects to memory position 2. When your spouse uses their code, the seat and mirrors automatically adjust to their saved position. A valet preset, built into your door. Feature number 7, global window control from the key fob. Summer. Your truck has been baking in a parking lot for 4 hours, and the interior temperature is approaching dangerous levels. Press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for at least 3 seconds. The front windows roll down. On some models, the sunroof vents as well. Press and hold the lock button, and the windows roll back up while the doors lock. On F-150s, this feature is not enabled from the factory on most trims. However, it can be activated using ForScan, a diagnostic tool that modifies hidden settings in your truck's computer. For vehicles with native support, start remote. Start first to get the air conditioning running. Then drop the windows to push hot air out. By the time you reach your vehicle, cooling has already begun. Feature number 8, factory door code recovery. You bought your Ford used and never received the factory door code. Most owners think they are permanently locked out of keypad features, but Ford built in a secret recovery method. You need both keys that came with the vehicle. Put the first key into the backup slot, or hold it against the start button area. Turn the ignition to the on position. Turn off and remove that key. Put the second key in. Turn the ignition on and watch your instrument cluster. Your 5-digit factory code displays for a few seconds. If this method does not work on your model, check inside your glove box under the rubber mat. The factory code is printed on a card. Ford includes with new vehicles. Previous owners often leave it there without realizing. Your dealer can also retrieve the factory code directly from Ford using your VIN. It takes about 5 minutes and usually costs nothing. The factory code never changes and cannot be erased. Even if you or previous owners programmed personal codes, the factory code always works as backup. Write it down and store it somewhere outside your vehicle. If you ever get locked out without keys or phone, that 5-digit code is your way back in. The secure code system has existed on Ford vehicles since 1980. Over 40 years of this feature, and most owners never explore what it can actually do.